Welcome back to WeatherBug here on a Wednesday. Todd Nelson with a look at your national coast-to-coast forecast. And we'll continue the same old thing here with the thunderstorms and the heat. And we enter the summer months with that potential just about each and every day. But looking at that heat to return and humidity values through the middle part of the country. Here's some storm clouds from yesterday in the southeast. And then you may have heard about the tornado actually out near the Denver International Airport. Kind of a scary afternoon for folks out that way. Good news is that particular tornado did no damage at the airport at all, and all the folks out at the airport were seeking shelter, and it sounds like the severe weather action plans were all right out there, so good news. All right, so watching the heat out in the southwest, building back out into the plains over the next several afternoons, and this is going to be out ahead of a storm system bringing some cooler weather into the Willamette Valley. So today we're going to be below average in San Francisco and Seattle. Meanwhile, the high plains along the Front Range starting to warm up, and you can see it on that temperature trend map. Just a little core of heat as to begin to shift out in the Central Plains. Talking more triple-digit heat out near western Kansas and Oklahoma. There's your tornado report out near the Denver International Airport. Also had one along the eastern seaboard, but another day with a number of wind and hail reports. Severe weather, again, is possible today, generally along the eastern side of the storm system, and that upper-level low is very slowly going to be churning across the international borders. So we'll be watching this area from the Midwest to the eastern portion of that low to kick up that threat. Also along the Front Range this afternoon, kind of like yesterday where we had some wind and hail, maybe an isolated tornado threat, but Thursday could be interesting for the Dakotas and the Midwest, and then Friday another interesting day. Now 5-day precipitation along that area could be 1 to 2 inches or more. The southeast also looking at some heavy precip, but watching that heat build back into the plains over the next few days.